Assalamualaikum. Di video kali ini kita akan membahas tentang present perfect tense. Present perfect memiliki dua jenis kalimat, nominal dan verbal. Predikat di nominal memiliki have atau has ditambah been, sedangkan predikat di verbal memiliki have atau has ditambah verb 3. Kita gunakan have ketika subjeknya jamak dan kita gunakan has ketika subjeknya tunggal. Present perfect is used to express first, finished event that happened in the past and the impact of the event is now continuing. For example, I have just eaten lunch 2 hours ago and now I am not hungry. Jadi present perfect digunakan untuk mengungkapkan kejadian atau perbuatan yang sudah selesai yang terjadi di masa lampau dan efeknya masih bisa dirasakan sampai sekarang. Penjelasan dari contoh adalah pada saat saya berbicara, saya belum lapar karena sudah makan siang 2 jam yang lalu dan waktu menuju makan malam masih lama. Second is to express experiences. For example, I have been to Dubai. I have been a teacher for 15 years. I have won English speech contest several times. Jadi fungsi yang kedua untuk present perfect adalah untuk mengungkapkan pengalaman. Third is to express activities that started in the past, which have continued up to now and will probably continue in the future. For example, I have worked here for 5 years. I have lived here since 2007. Fungsi yang ketiga ini menunjukkan kegiatan yang dimulai di masa lalu yang masih berlanjut sampai sekarang dan kemungkinan akan terus dilakukan di masa depan. Fourth is to express recent past. For example, I have already written the assignment but I haven't submitted it yet. The school holiday has ended. We have to go back to school tomorrow. Fungsi keempat ini untuk menunjukkan kegiatan yang baru saja terjadi, bisa saja lebih cepat dari perkiraan. Berikutnya, kita dapat menggunakan present perfect dengan ditambahkan kata-kata adverb seperti just, already, yet, ever, never, for, since. Just means not long ago. For example, I have just received an email from my best friend. Just artinya tidak begitu lama atau baru saja terjadi. Already means sooner than expected. For example, she has already watched the movie. Kita pakai already yang artinya lebih cepat dari yang diharapkan. Yet means that something hasn't happened. For example, I haven't watered the flowers yet. Kata yet di sini menandakan bahwa sesuatu itu belum terjadi atau belum dilakukan. Ever is used to ask about experience. Never is used to answer, that means not ever. For example, have you ever been to Japan? Answer, I have never been to Japan. Kata ever atau pernah digunakan untuk menanyakan tentang pengalaman, sedangkan never digunakan untuk menjawab yang artinya tidak pernah. For is used to show how long something has happened and how long it has lasted up to the present. I have been here for 15 years. She has examined the material for a week. Saat kita membutuhkan keterangan waktu untuk berapa lama suatu perbuatan itu dilakukan, maka kita gunakan kata for yang artinya selama. Since is used to show something that began in the past. He has been in Jakarta since the 1st of July. I have studied English since I was in junior high school. Since atau sejak digunakan untuk menunjukkan kapan tepatnya suatu perbuatan atau peristiwa itu dimulai. Now read and listen to a short conversation between Nida and her mom.
It smells good. What have you cooked, Mom?
Hi, sweetheart. I have cooked your favorite food. It's chicken soup. We will have lunch in a few minutes.
Can I have it now? It has already made me hungry.
All right, sweetheart. Take your seat. I have put all things on the table.
Sure, thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Here are some questions with present perfect. 1. Have you ever ridden an animal? 2. What sports have you played? 3. Where is the best place you have ever been? 4. What's the amazing thing you have ever done? 5. Who is the greatest person you have ever admired? 6. Why have you helped people in need? 7. How long have you studied English? Here is an example of a text with present perfect. I have a little sister. Her name is Talita. She is 5 years old. She has loved Little Pony since 2 years old. She has collected Little Pony toys ever since. She has special boots, which have cute Little Pony stickers. The boots have been ready to protect her feet while playing outside. Oke, Ruki, sekian penjelasan tentang present perfect. Sampai ketemu lagi di video berikutnya. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.